sports complex.
Okay, we talk about sport usually are three things. What are three things? Physical, psychomotor, right? And then cognitive, and then social. I think psychosocial, right? The ability to interact with people. So sport for intellectual ID, I think it's very important for them to keep healthy, right? Active in sports, right? And so cognitively, I think it's more important is not about winning or how to play a game. It's more important is I think it's a psychosocial, how they're able to interact with people. Okay, 10 years ago when I was coaching, right, there's no formal kind of coaching ID or workshops, but I heard only I think about 2 years ago I think Sport SG started such a workshop, right, to prepare coaches to coach the ID. No, I only know that they have, but I can't recall the actual name. Maybe you can put it into a curriculum in the Sport SG, in the BPS or something, because very important is I find it's very important is to include part of it in especially the ethic, the way to handle such people, the ethical aspect of it. Yes, why not? For me, my philosophy is coaches, it's not about producing champion. Nevertheless, any good coach can also make the good athletes good or even great. But a coach, right? A good coach should be able to make athletes or those people who may look down on them to make them great, and these are the great coach to me, right?
I would say number one would be your approach. So for instance, when you do drills, you have to go step by step. It's best to have them buddy up or pair them up so that they are able to learn together. What would you advise? Come in with an open mind. Number two, I think it is okay to say that you're not able to work with a certain group. The other thing is really have fun. Because at the end of the day, the people that you work with in this community, they're not mostly wanting to win, but really to enjoy the sport. Managing your expectations is very important. And of course, another thing I also mentioned earlier is pace. Go slow, and it's okay to be repetitive.
I think because our society is not very inclusive, so these kind of opportunities are like is a way like avenue for them to have socialization.
I guess there is a lack of coaches. Not really qualification because like not many coaches are willing to like spend time or like actually like even activities to go.
I think definitely it's highly recommended.
I think it would be good to learn, to have some background on their characteristics.
Yes, because like any help that helps them coach better.